Ang ganda dito guys. Kasi lang sobrang lamig. Hi mga besh! It's me again, Pretty Akira, na hindi maganda pero nagmamaganda. And welcome to my vlog. This is my second vlog. So maraming mga tao din dito pumunta. Sobrang lamig dito guys. And I'm really shaking because of sobrang lamig. I'm sorry? You want to go to El Giganten? You want to go to El Giganten? Yeah, if we have time. Yeah. When are they closing? I don't know. Nakapunta na kami dito guys last summer yata, last year. Maganda siya dito kapag may snow kasi maraming skating dito. Yan ang boyfriend ko, tsaka yung anak niyang babae. Yung anak niyang babae mahilig sa kabayo. Hi!
Hi y'all! Hi! How are you?
How are you?
Enjoying the 0 degrees weather here in Sweden. It's amazing.
It's really cold.
Red berries, the green thing from the red berries.
That's
the green. You see the green leaves, small leaves, the green small one.
This is a blueberry.
No, red berries.
Red berry.
Red berries, but there's no red berries now.
Yeah, it's because it's winter.
Yeah.
Do you think there will be snow?
Hopefully, but no one knows anymore.
But I'm looking for reindeer.
Well, reindeers are trying to be far from people.
It's not here.
It's not here.
There's always, and here in this area it's hard to find.
Ayan guys. So, grabe, nahingig talaga yung kamay ko kasi hindi ako nag-gloves kasi nga para mahawakan ko ng maayos yung yung phone. Nakakapagod guys. Yan, dito kami sa taas. Maganda daw dito guys kapag may snow. Maraming pumupunta dito kapag may snow.
If they fall down, do they hurt themselves?
Maybe. Bababa na kami guys. Kasi sobrang lamig na talaga. Ang ganda dito guys. Kasi lang sobrang lamig. Yan, meron din nagka-camping dito. Ayan. Yun sila. Tsaka ito pa. Ito sa kabila. Yan, may lake pa dito. Where are we going?
Just around the lake.
I feel in my, you know, I feel the cold
Oh.
in my feet.
Do you want to go back to the car or?
No, it's okay.
It's not a big lake.
Yeah, no
It's
problem.
small.
We can go.
Small.
El mare, nej, det kan brytas mer. Åh, det finns sån skum. Det finns skum. Ja, vi går till det skummet. Just det, jag kommer ihåg när pappa och vi gick på det. Den broen. Den lilla, en trästocken. Vi går över den stigen.
Hey, careful, Elmer. No, it's not good.
Jag ska tuta på fyra. Lägg av.
Nej, Julius. Medyo nangangatog na yung paa ko. Sa sobrang lamig.
Puta ner, nej, eller ner, så du vet.
Masyado siyang slippery, guys. Ayun guys, nalibot na rin namin yung forest. So, sobrang lamig talaga. Kailangan na naming umuwi. Kasi nangangatog na nga yung paa ko. And thank you for watching guys. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video ko. And enjoy life guys. Bye-bye! So, welcome to my maraming mga tao din dito pumunta kasi nagpapa-barbecue sila. But I'm looking for a reindeer. No. And thank you for watching guys, and if you really want this video, please don't so that updated kayo sa mga bagong video ko.